Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report on the President Lincoln IIplus. This is from Matt in Idaho. Alright Matt, we're going to start on the AM mode. Power all the way down. Check it up here. We're going to stick it on a 10 watt scale. And all the way down is 1. Now I'm going to move it to the next scale up where it's 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. And then move the power all the way up. Make sure we got about 12 there. Peak power, 100 watt slug. Be looking at the scale on the very bottom again. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2. Okay, and then here's where we turn this one down and go to sideband. Oh, let's go to FM first. FM I set for 30 watts, just my own preference, and all the way down, so 1 to 30. And now sideband. Here's your low sideband. Audio. It's about 10 or 11 or so. And if I turn it all the way up, audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. It's right around 50. Alright. I wanted to know where half was. Audio. Audio. Check, check, check. And there's about half, maybe. Let's see how low your power is. I'm going to go ahead and put a sticker on there for you before we ship it out, so that way you'll know. That way you'll know. Okay, so that's sideband. That's everything. Reception. Not as much skip as we had yesterday, huh? A little bit though, huh? Let's try turning it on there. Well, they sound faint though. I don't think they're going to hear me. It's kind of dead. Except for there. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check breaker?
Yeah, I hear you loud and clear.
10-4, loud and clear. I appreciate the comeback. You have a fine day now.